Greetings to all of you present here. Today, the students of class 10th are going to conduct a special assembly on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence, an outstanding vice president, and the second president of India, with his tenure lasting from 1962 to 1967. As a president, Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country, most notably in the field of education.
In the year of 1965, some of the prominent students of late Dr. Radhakrishnan organized a gathering to pay obeisance to that great teacher of repute. In that gathering, in his speech, Dr. Radhakrishnan emphasized that his birth anniversary should be celebrated as Teachers' Day by paying homage to other great teachers of India. Since the year 1967, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day till date.
Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect to teachers in return for their contribution in the field of education. Teachers are responsible for building human characters. The peace and development of a society also depends on them to a great extent.
Society needs people who can guide the new generation. After all, the new generation is going to be a part of the society in the future. The importance of teacher can also be cited as that of candles. It consumes itself to light the path for others. Their selfless, diligent, kind nature and the fact that the education and knowledge of teachers can influence person's character increase their importance in our society.
Thank you, Munish. Now, Momita will recite a poem highlighting the importance of a teacher.
Teacher's Day. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in the queue, and the manners with which I am speaking today is only because of you. You held me when the winds blow strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. So to all my teachers, parents and friends who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Momita. Now, Anjali and Tamanna will recite the few Sanskrit slokas. Let's hear them.
विना गुरुभ्यो गुणनिर्धिभ्यो जानाति तत्त्वं न विचक्षणोऽपि अकर्णदीर्घायति लोचनोऽपि दीपम बिना पश्यति नांधकारे। जैसे कानों तक लंबी आंखें वाला अंधकार में बिना दिए के देख नहीं सकता, उसी प्रकार विचक्षण इंसान गुण सागर ऐसे गुरु बिना तत्व को जान नहीं सकता।
धेन धेनु कुसुमेन वल्ली शीलेन भार्या कमलेन तोयम गुरुम विना भाति न चैव शिष्य समेन विज्ञा नगरी जनेन। अर्थ, जैसे दूध बगैर गाय, फूल बगैर लता, शील बगैर भार्या, कमल बगैर जल, शम बगैर विज्ञा और लोग बगैर नगर शोभा नहीं देते, वैसे ही गुरु बिना शिष्य शोभा नहीं देता।
Now I invite Vedang to tell us the thought of the day.
The worst sinner has a future even as the greatest saint has had a past. This thought is given by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna.